All right, I'm gonna be making a jewelry box for my next project. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make a lock joint. So here I am setting up the table saw. The thickness of the material I'll be using is gonna be 3/8. So I'm setting that blade at about 3/16. And there I am doing the rabbet. And on this one, I'm doing the dado. Using my miter saw gauge here, I felt like it's a little bit safer doing it like this than the way I was attempting to do it. I can be a little more accurate. And basically I'm just creeping up on that cut, getting it almost exactly 3/16. And here I am doing the rabbet again on those sides. You'll have rabbets on 2 of your sides, and you'll have dados on 2 sides of your stacks, and then dados on 2 sides of your stock, excuse me. And here I'm doing basically a stop dado. I'm just gonna very carefully, I had some lines drawn right there on the sacrificial fence telling me where to start, and then I had another line behind that telling me where to stop, because these are if I would have went through dados, then you would have been able to see it from the outside, so I didn't want that. You want to be very careful when you doing this movement right here. And then on the other sides, the other 2 sides, you can just do through dados on there. And these dados are for the bottom piece, which here I am right here with some 1/8 inch stock, almost 3/16. And just cutting it down to size here. And now I'm gonna put all the pieces together. More or less just gonna do the dry fit here, make sure everything is gonna fit correctly before I put the glue on. Everything fits great, and as you can see coming up, this is a close-up of what the lock joint looks like. It's staying together without any glue. So of course once you add glue, it's going to be really strong. And taking the dry fit apart and going to start gluing it up. Whenever you're making these dados, you have to take into accountability also that you're going to have glue in there, and the wood is going to expand a little bit once you add that glue to it. So you do have to make the dados just slightly bigger than what your exact measurement would be. And now I'm going to clamp it up. So once again, this is what a lock joint looks like, and this is going to be the first part of my jewelry box build. Thanks for watching.